Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Sport.Fun token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Sport.Fun is building the first on-chain prediction economy where funds buy and trade functional share of athletes competing in FIFA, NFL and other major sports and earn reward based on real-world performance, merging core element of sports prediction markets and liquid trading. Sport.Fun introduces a new sport primitives that appeals to speculators, sport enthusiasts, and everyday fans. Sport.Fun is the governance token for a blockchain-based sport platform that tokenizes real-world athletes for trading and competitions. Sport.Fun fundamentally reimagines sports engagement by merging athlete tokenization with decentralized governance. Sport.Fun token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 178 million. Fun token is listed on Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, BingX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.